So I just made another video where I made this ring out of bismuth, and I wasn't thinking about how fragile bismuth was. I mean, I was aware it was fragile, and I guess I was kind of hoping that tin would help make it less fragile, but of course tin is also fragile. So anyway, I tried sizing this because I wanted to put it on a different finger, because this is basically a copy of that ring. I was going to try to make it a little bit bigger so I could put it on a different finger, and I was just kind of curious if I could make it a perfect circle in my mold, or in my ring sizer thingy. I can't remember the word. Anyway, ring mandrel. Anyway, it cracked it. It cracked the ring. And so I'm going to try something that might not work. This metal melts at a really low temperature. And I made this project a couple years ago and haven't played with it in a long time. So I got this laser diode out of a Blu-ray burner. A lot of people probably don't even know what a Blu-ray burner is, but they have a nice purple laser. So I thought it'd make a cool laser for projects. This is a class 4 laser. You should never think of one of these as a laser pointer. It's not a laser pointer. It's very dangerous. You should never use them without goggles, blah, 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 all that stuff. Basically, you should never have one of these. This is my, this circuit right here makes sure that the current and the voltage is always perfect. And I added extra heat sinks to each of those circuits. And then this entire chassis is made out of aluminum. And then I got these 2 batteries out of those portable phone chargers, just so I could bump the voltage. So this is obviously a 2 battery configuration. Is that 2S or 2P? I can't remember. Leave a comment if you remember. Anyway, this is my circuit for setting this up to fire, and I made it in such a way that it's almost like a lock, because unless you understand basic circuitry, you're not going to know how to power this laser diode, and so you're not going to be able to hurt yourself or anyone else by getting it to turn on, because it won't turn on unless you get the right combination of correct circuitries. Anyway, safety goggles. These are made to intercept and block the frequency that's made by this diode. It's about 420 nanometers or so, and this blocks between like 400 and 500 nanometers, and then somewhere around 700 as well. So put these on, and blocks red, makes everything look kind of funny. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this phone into my tripod, and I'm gonna shoot the laser into this crack and basically see if I can weld this crack back together with a laser. See if it works. That's hot. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's definitely liquefying the metal. This is really hot. I think think that does it. Cool. Ooh. Let's see if you can see it on video. So on the back side, you can see that it welded together. So clean that front side up, but the inside it closed together, so that's what counts. So there you have it, welding a ring with a laser. I didn't know you could do that.